Hello, I was asked to do a tutorial on how I do my Jevil voice. Um, it's actually quite simple. I learned how to do it, from this page right here. I'll leave a link to this in the description. Um, you are going to need to download a plugin for Audacity. I'll leave a link over here too. You'll just, download the free Windows VST plugin. You want specifically the Crusher. So basically, this is all just going to be really, really simple. Just need Audacity and those plugins. So just record yourself saying whatever. You can, so like, for example, I can do anything! Like that, you know? So you're going to want to go to Effect, and go to D-Blue Crusher. Set it to 5 samples. Oops. Make sure you do Control A. So yeah, set it to 5 samples. It'll sound like this. I can do anything! So yeah, next you're gonna go to Echo, and set it to these, 0.04 and 0.5. Then Control D to duplicate that, and pitch shift this down by like -5%. And then you're gonna want to add some reverb over both of these. And you'll basically just get I can do anything! And that's basically it. That's all you gotta do. Really simple. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed.